Hello viewers, are you experiencing YouTube video clip option not showing problem? Don't worry, you are not alone. Many users are experiencing this issue in YouTube. In this tutorial, I'll explain to you why is this happening and how to fix it. So let's see the step. Viewers, as of April 2026, YouTube is reducing YouTube video clip feature for viewers. And now the clip option is limited to the video creators. In many cases, the clip button has been removed for general viewers and a remix button has been added. You cannot fix this problem even if you want, because it's not happening for app glitch or your device problem. It is related to the YouTube update. You can only report your problem to YouTube. This will help YouTube understand exactly how many people want to the clip option. And also this will help YouTube to make a quick decision. Now if you want to report your problem to YouTube, first of all keep your YouTube app updated so that you are the first to receive any updates, and then open YouTube. Now tap on profile icon and then click on settings option. Now scroll down, go to help option. Now tap on send feedback. Now click on get started. Allow one-time access. Now here describe your issue. After describe your issue, now send your feedback.